Hi, I'm Tyler Philbrook from Party3Productions.com. Today we're going to answer the question how to effectively use the Facebook Pixel for retargeting. First, what is the Facebook Pixel? The Facebook Pixel is basically Facebook's analytic program that allows you to track individuals that come to your site or whatever else you're using, whether it's a lead pages or a lead ad or a converting page, whatever the case may be. You use the Facebook Pixel to track the individuals that come to that page. Now, how do you use that in order to retarget those individuals? You've collected the data. You can't actually see the individuals. Only Facebook knows. So how do you actually retarget those individuals? First, we want to make sure that we're actually installing the Facebook Pixel. I can't tell you how many people who are running a business, a successful business, don't have a Facebook Pixel installed. If you think you may run ads anytime in the future, install a Facebook Pixel right now. Stop. Pause this and go install the Facebook Pixel. How do you do that? First, you go into your ads manager, click on Pixels. It'll pop up, no recent activity. You can click on this, set up Pixel. I always just manually install the Pixel code. Now, there are plugins and things that you can use that can do it a little bit quicker, but it's so easy to just manually install. You click on manual install, scroll down, copy the code, and put it in your header or your footer in your website. That's it. If you have a lead pages or any type of third-party software that you use to create pages for things, then I would just use wherever they have for tracking. This is the code that you would put into that tracking. So once you have that code in place, what do you do to actually retarget those individuals? Well, you go in and you create an audience off of it. Go back into your Facebook Manager, go to Audiences. This is one I don't think I've touched in quite some time. Create Custom Audience. Website traffic, create all website visitors, and then you just come up with a name. So let's just call it Tyler Philbrook for now. Create audience, and that's it. Facebook will then do the rest of the work for you. They'll actually populate all the individuals that have come within the last 30 days, and you can go all the way up to the last 180 days. So once that's done, once the custom audience is created, if you want to create an ad that goes right to them, just click right from this page, create ad. Now it's going to be on whatever it is you're trying to do, whether it's simply trying to get additional people on your site, whether it's trying to get conversions, engagement, brand awareness, whatever you're going to talk about. And we'll talk about that all in a different video on what all of these things are. But for this, let's just say we're trying to get traffic back to our site. Now, typically with a retargeting campaign, you're going to want to do something like conversions. So I don't have any conversions set up on this profile. This is just a profile I'm using for the videos, so there's nothing set up at the moment. But let's say we're just trying to get traffic. You would just click on that, create a campaign, and then the audience that you're going to use is going to be that same one that you just created. And so that would be exactly how you successfully retarget individuals. Now, that's how you do it mechanically. Now, after that, you have to actually know your audience. You have to know what it is that will actually get them to convert, to sell. So create a good ad. Make the ad something specific for your audience. You know your people better than anyone else, so make something specific for them. A picture or video that'll catch their attention, and then good copy that converts. So with these tools and everything you have in place, you can use the Facebook Pixel to retarget successfully.